What's the meaning of ambulant? Ambulant. 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 Ambulant.
The word ambulant refers to someone who is able to walk and move around. It is often used in medical contexts to describe patients who are able to walk, as opposed to those who are bedridden or unable to move easily. Being ambulant can be seen as a positive sign of health, as it indicates that someone has the ability and energy to be active and mobile. Overall, the term ambulant implies a sense of independence and capability in regards to one's ability to move and function in the world.